What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. They are so busy counting. Alright, okay, today I'm gonna be teaching you a sexy dance. So the title of the song is Meeting in My Bedroom by Silk. I hope I pronounce it right. Okay, let's start. Alright, let's start. Move to the front a little bit. Everybody say hi. Alright, let's start. So we start 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the walk is cross, huh? It's not front. 7 cross. Then hips. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Copy? Then you're gonna go 1, 2. Chest, 3 and 4 and go up on 5, 6, 7 and 8. One more time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay? So cross left to the front. 7, 8. Copy? Next, this is push. 1, 2, 3, 4. Point left. 5, 6. Change weight. 7 and 8. If you have long hair, you 7, 8 like that. 7, 8. Huh? Okay, one more time. So 5, 6 from the top. So 5, 6, 7 and 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Push on 1, head 2, 3, open on 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Good job. Next, turn around on 1, 2. So make sure your weight is on your left. Okay, 1, 2, drag it, 3, change on 4, go 5, 6, 7, push on 8. Okay, one more time. So from here, 7, 8, turn 1, 2, drag it, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's start from the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Push 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next. So from here, 7, 8, open, 1, so your left going back, 1, 2, like this, 2, back, 3, 4, 5, 6, quick to the back, 7, jump on 8. Okay, from here, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, away, 7, 8. From the top. So 5, 6, 7 and 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, push, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, away, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. So from here, this is easy. Go 1, 2. See from your left, 2, 3, 4. Then go 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. So it goes like this. Watch her hand. 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn around. 5, 6, 7. Close on 8. Very good. Next. From here. 7, 8. Stay 2 counts. 1, 2. Next. Go back to 3. Change weight on 2. 4. 2, 4. No, I don't like 3. So 2, 4. Pretending pansan. 4. Go front to the 5. Front to the 5. This is 5, 6. Okay? One more time. I lost. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, lift on 8. Okay, let's start from here. One more time. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, lift on 8. Okay, let's finish this one almost. So from here, so the count here is a bit fast. 7, 8. After this, go 1, 2, 3. So you look like this. 3. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one is slowly. Sorry. So 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, and 8. So the count. Down 7, bounce on 8. Okay, next. Just close on 1, 2, 3, open on 4. Open on 4. Weight on your in the middle. 4. Then up 5, 6, 7, and 8. And for the last pose, anything you want. Down 1. And finish. Yes. But before we go on, we're going to start from here again. So 7, 8, push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly. 1, 2, stay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pose. And that's it. Yeah. Let's start from the beginning. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Away. 7. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. So the 8 is back. 1. Yes! Congratulations! Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comments on our video. Bye-bye.